name's Charles. I'll be your host as we go through and explore everything BB and pellet related, from air pistols to air rifles, targets, and ammo. A lot of new subscribers and stuff like that. Thank you guys very much, and show my appreciation. I'm gonna kind of let you in on some of the off-the-wall stuff that's going to be happening. Some of you guys have been watching forever. Bonus. A while back, probably around Christmas, I guess, I wound up with this thing. And it's from Champion Targets. That holds the little clay targets in there. Kind of reminded me of a Ferris wheel, you know, something from my youth, which was a long time ago. And somebody had sent something in the comments, hey, look, why don't you just stick the EBOS on it? Electronic burst of steel, fully automatic, 8-round, kind of like shooting an AK-47. So okay, I had to think about it for a little while. So, and some of the random stuff that I have and I think about, I come across something from I love from my childhood. Remote control cars. Never had one until I was almost 30. There just wasn't anything around there where I was. But I had this thing for a while. Still works. Why don't we use it to power this? Might get interesting. Alright, so we took part of it apart, remodeled it. Now, instead of using the EBOS, I'm going to use the Steel Storm. Shoots a little faster because as soon as I start hitting the chalk targets, well, we're going to kind of lose our motivation. I'll figure it out. You know, we'll make it permanent eventually. So, till then, loaded. We're on safe. Got a rubber band. And see what happens. Absolutely nothing. Imagine that. Maybe it needs to be a little closer. You know, more contact. Alright. Reset. Kind of like taking a mulligan in golf with less penalty. Rubber band. Yay! See how fast we can make it stop. At least the idea is there. I'll keep working on this. You get to see something like this again. Till next time, my name's Charles. It's been Backyard Plinking.